Okay, time to start. Okay, now they say to heat up the black part here, but not too hot because you don't want to melt this rubber. So we'll try that. First on the low setting. Now we'll take the plunger, put it in the corner. Press it down. And it's not sealing. Okay, it's not sealing at all. My screen's a bit dirty, so I'm going to clean it. Oh, the glass is coming up already. Okay, get a card underneath there. Okay. Move the plunger a bit and keep going. Okay, I think I need to add some more heat. Again, we got to the point where we have another broken piece, but I can get under it. Put my card there again. And it's stuck there, so move along. Okay, so I've got 3 sides done. Now I say just to lift it, break the seal here, and the glass is removed. Anna's over there jumping around now. Okay, and they don't say what to do with this piece here, but I think I have to remove it so I can put it back on. There's this little clip that holds the camera in. So I'm going to remove that very carefully with my probe. It's just glued on there as well. So it came off pretty easily. Put that to the side, okay? Okay, so the glass is off. The screen's a bit dusty. I'm going to dust it off. I had a little bit of dust that got in there the first day I bought the thing. So I'm just going to try to dust it all off. The eyesight camera cable looks like it might come a little bit loose. I hope I didn't break it. I did break it. So I broke the eyesight camera. Now I don't have an eyesight camera. Well, that's the way of it, I guess. Maybe I can reconnect it. Now I'm going to use my microfiber cloth to clean off the screen. Eyesight camera clip back in the eyesight camera. And the videos say to do this. Start at the bottom and work your way around. Okay, take your microfiber cloth and press in. Pressing hard, but not too hard, they say. It's obvious I've done a repair. You can see that the rubber is a bit worse for wear, but it's not horrible. Okay, the new glass is on. I think it's probably stable. Clean a little bit. Looks like I don't have too much dust back there. Alright, truth is in. I have screen. You can see screen coming on. It's turned on. I'm going to test the eyesight camera because I know that I unhooked it by accident. If I lost the eyesight camera, well, it's an eyesight camera. I can live without it. I just won't be able to do Skype. But I can use my iPad to do Skype. Looks like my screen is good. That crack is gone. Computer's running. Let's go to iPhoto, eyesight. How much I've used Photo Booth. Let's see. Looks like the camera works. See? You can see yourself. So I replaced the camera. I fixed the camera when I pulled it off, and wow, everything works. Let's just take a picture. 3, 2, 1. It works. Okay. So my computer is back to 100%. And I saved myself about $1,000 or 1,000 euros, because that's what they would have charged me to replace it. And I'm happy. And it only took me 26 minutes.